Starting in the garage, we have the queen bunk, brand new mattress that comes down. My husband installed an extra light there. As you can see, we use this for storage and my husband's office. And the animal station. We have a TV in here. The radio. Kitchen. So everything is really well maintained. We got it from somebody that was a son of an RV dealer, so he took really good care of it. And then we have been full-timing in it for a year. My husband is a mobile RV mechanic, so everything couldn't be better upkept. Here's our shoe storage mostly. Bluetooth radio. They had a sound system installed before we purchased this. Cushion covers are great. I just have them covered for cleanliness sake. You got your under seat storage. We took out the crummy sofa, which did not recline. Super old school, and replaced it with these reclining quote unquote leather chairs. Nice big windows, lots of sunshine. Bathroom is nice because it has the entry from this side, from the other side, and if you need to get around while somebody's using it, you can go through the bedroom. The previous owners did the peel and stick backsplash and then the white paint in here. Kind of brighten it up a little bit. Typical shower. We changed to that nice whatever shower head that is that all the RVers have. I installed some storage, which has been nice. Skylight. And then the bedroom, queen size bed, brand new mattress, barely slept on. That's Miss Toot. We have lived with animals, but I've kept it immaculate. I'm a travel nurse. I like things clean. One thing that I will point out, previous owner had a water leak, which was fixed. It did affect the paper in here. We have resealed the roof, so that's obviously very noticeable. I'm not going to try and sugarcoat that, but it was remedied. No mold issues, no leaks currently. Really one of the only issues that it's had for its age. It's in really good condition. Carpet, I'm in the process of kind of cleaning one patch at a time. Tons of storage. Lots of clothes here. Don't mind the mess. Lots of storage here. And that is your 2014 Xlr Thunderbolt Xlr.